Hey guys, this is DeSHANTA B, and I'm going to give you a quick tuna fish short video. I'm going to show you one of the many ways that I make my tuna, and hopefully the camera won't cut off, which it's been doing. This is my 5th time trying to record this, so I'm going to go kind of fast. For this recipe, of course, you will need a bowl. I'm going to be using 2 of these STARKIST chunk-like tuna in water. It's 2.6 ounces. I'm going to be using a little bit of parsley flakes for decoration, some hot sauce, if it'll focus. Okay, there we go. A little bit of my SAZON seasoning, a little onion powder, some black pepper, and I'm going to be using some mayonnaise. Okay guys, there are a million ways to make tuna, but for today this is how I'm going to make this. So if you are using canned tuna, you want to drain your tuna before you add it to your bowl. So I'm simply going to add the tuna. There is a little bit of water in the tuna packet. If that bothers you, go ahead and drain that out as well, but it's fine with me. So I'm going to add just a little of each, guys, each ingredient. Tuna is very easy to over season, and remember, once you add, you cannot take away. I love my hot sauce in this, guys, so I'm a little heavy-handed with this one. And my black pepper. Going to take your utensil and just smash it all together. Tunas are very easy and it absorbs flavors quickly. So you want to make sure that you don't put too much, because you can always add a little at a time according to your palate. So this is what it looks like so far. Remember, I added a little bit of onion powder, hot sauce, SAZON, and black pepper. You can add whatever you like, or you can add nothing. Remember, cooking is supposed to be fun, and cook according to your palate. So what I'm going to do now is add a little bit of mayo. You want to add a little bit at a time, because it can make your tuna mushy if you add too much. So just add your mayo. I can already tell that I'm going to need a little bit more. I like it wet, but not too wet. In other words, I don't like my tuna too mushy. So I'm going to add just a little bit more of the mayo. And continue to stir until you get the consistency that is conducive for you. Some people like their tuna really mushy. I don't. But that's okay. That's the fun in cooking. So I'm going to add just a little bit more of mayo. Mix that in until well incorporated. Guys, you can make tuna fish sandwiches. You can do like I'm doing. I'm just having tuna and crackers and a little bit of soup. You can serve this with some cheese, some grapes, some cucumbers, or just make a salad and use this as the meat in your salad. Okay guys, I think this is exactly how I want it, as you can see. So I'm going to taste it. Yep, that's it. That's what I'm talking about. And so I'm just going to place this on a platter or one of my infamous paper plates, because I do not like washing dishes in the summertime. And I'll be right back. I've added the tuna to my infamous paper plates, and I surrounded it with some Ritz crackers. And just for aesthetics, I'm going to top it with some parsley flakes, just to make it look a little pretty. And I'm also going to heat up this, if it gets in focus, this Progresso tomato basil soup with cheddar crackers that I purchased from the Dollar Tree. And that is my quick and easy tuna fish recipe, one of the many that I have. Guys, you know what time it is. Give this recipe a try, and don't be afraid to season your food to your liking, and stop playing. And until next time, bye guys.
Wow.